everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond Academics. Do show your support to the channel by subscribing and hitting the like button for the video. Do follow us on Instagram and like our page on Facebook. Links are given in the description. In this video, I will talk about all the details you should know before you buy a health insurance. With the coronavirus outbreak intensifying, many people are looking to opt for a health insurance plan. The health insurance policies are not necessarily COVID specific health plans, but health policies in general. This video will help students to know about health insurance in detail. To young working professional, this video will help in making a right decision while buying health insurance for the first time. And for other people who already have health insurance, this video will help to understand pros and cons of their current policy because most of us have bought health insurance without going into the wordings of the policy, as we often do in accepting terms and conditions while installing a particular software or application in our computer or mobile. I am pretty much sure that people who are well versed with health insurance will get new learnings from this video. Even I got to know many new points while researching for the contents of this video. Buying health insurance is very important to secure your family's health and financial well being. But before buying, finding the best plan is a time consuming process because of unfamiliar and confusing terminology used in policy details or policy wordings. This video will help you to get familiar with all the terminologies used in policy wordings and to choose a right health insurance plan. Here are the contents of this video. So let's see one by one in detail. What is health insurance? Health insurance is an agreement between the insured person and an insurance company that covers all costs related to medical expenses of the insured in exchange for a fixed premium. This cover can be bought for an individual or for an entire family and can be used to seek financial help during medical emergency or even a pre-planned medical procedure. In a health insurance plan, you can't recover any money invested in the premiums because there is no life cover. There is no payout or a lump sum payable in case untimely demise of an insured person. Most of the insurers will ask a common questionnaire over a telephone to conduct a general medical examination. Sometimes a physical medical test is needed if a person opting for an insurance is above 45 or 50 years, as their risk profile is higher. Or if you are opting for a higher than average sum insured of your annual salary, or in case of pre-existing diseases and smoking habit. Why do you need health insurance? Medical emergencies can strike any time and can put your finances under considerable stress. In such cases, health insurance can take care of the hospitalization and medical expenses incurred within the policy sum insured. Having a health insurance gives you peace of mind knowing that you will get much needed financial help during medical emergency. Additionally, a health insurance takes care of not just hospital expenses but also handles both pre and post hospitalization expenses. Generally, insurance companies have tie-ups with the leading hospitals where insured person can avail cashless treatment. If insured person do not avail treatment in a network hospital, insurance company will reimburse the cost of expenses incurred. In cashless claim process, upon providing the health insurance details to the respective hospital, insured person begins to receive treatment. After discharge, the hospital will forward the medical bills to the designated health insurance company. The company will then audit the expenses and settle the outstanding payment due to the hospital. In the reimbursement claim process, the insured individual will pay for the entire treatment. Then he or she will have to make a reimbursement claim to the designated insurance company. The insured individual will have to provide original bills of the hospital and claim reimbursement. Then the insurance company will audit and settle the claim. On approval of the insurance, company will pay to the policyholder. In case of claim rejection, insurance company will inform the policyholder. Now there are number of medical insurance schemes offered by government. Maybe I will talk about them in a separate video. Next, we will see types of health insurance. First of all, I will share a list of self-explanatory types. Individual health insurance, senior citizen health insurance plan, personal accidental plan. Then we have a family health insurance plan, also called as family floater plan. Here, under a single plan, you can cover all your family members. The advantage of family floater plan is entire sum insured can be availed by all family members or by any one individual in the family. Next type is surgery and critical illness insurance plan. This plan offers treatment against critical illnesses such as cancers, tumor, kidney failure, paralysis, heart attack, etc. With high treatment cost, premium of such policies is also high. If any of your family members suffered from critical illness, as a precaution, you must buy this policy. Few general health insurance plans will cover critical illness treatments after certain waiting period. Next type is maternity health insurance plan. This policy covers pre and postnatal care, ambulance cost and delivery expenses. This policy will also cover the newborn up to a certain period. And last type is unit linked health plan. This plan offers a unique combination of health plus life insurance. I will talk more on this in a separate video. For now, just know that with double advantage offered by this plan, you will have to pay higher premium. The government also promotes health insurance by providing an income tax deduction. You can avail deduction of up to rupees 25,000 annually for medical insurance premium for yourself, your spouse and dependent children. Another separate deduction of rupees 25,000 annually can be availed for insurance premium of parents. Another separate deduction of rupees 25,000 annually can be availed if you hold a policy under central government health scheme. As we always have revisions in income tax deduction rules, the above information I have updated from official website of Income Tax Department. You can check out the link in the description. Many working professionals have health insurance from their employer and many have no idea even if they have one. But remember, these are group insurance policies designated for your organization, which is definitely useful but may not be enough, and it may not cover the dependents like spouse, parents and children. Also, you will not get the benefit after termination and post retirement. Hence, it is always important to have a personal health insurance policy and treat employer's insurance as a secondary cover. People think that young and healthy ones don't need a health insurance. But on the contrary, I will say if you are young and healthy, that's the best time to buy health insurance because young people with good health will have lower risk. Because of lower risk, they can easily get high insurance cover, that too for less premium amount. You will not get this advantage at old age with higher risk. With adequate health insurance, you can plan your investments without worrying about the expenses in medical emergency. Next, we will see factors that affect health insurance premiums. You may have to pay higher premiums in following cases. People having medical history of heart disease, cancer, blood pressure, diabetes to any of the family member may have to pay higher premium due to higher risk associated. People with pre-existing health disorders also have to pay higher premium. If your profession puts you at a higher risk, you may have to pay higher premium. Example, employees at construction sites or chemical industry. Addictions such as cigarette smoking, alcohol and tobacco consumption will be the major reason for higher premium. Now here, to save a few bucks on your premium, don't provide false information to insurance company. Otherwise, your claim will be rejected on the grounds that you made a wrong declaration. Now, last and very important point we will see is things to know before buying a health insurance. So do watch part 2 of this video. Until then, don't forget to like and share the video. Do subscribe to the channel and press bell icon for all upcoming notifications. Thank you for watching.